The problem first. The velocity of the bullet becomes 1/3 after it penetrates 4 cm in a wooden block. Assuming that bullet is facing a constant resistance during its motion in the block, the bullet stops completely after traveling at 4 plus x cm inside the block. The value of x is, the 4 options are given, so we have to choose the correct option. So let us draw the diagram first. We will draw the start with the drawing with a wooden block. Let's consider this is as the wooden block, and here's the bullet that comes here and touches the wooden block, and the bullet velocity becomes 1/3 after it has traveled 4 cm. So if the velocity of the bullet is u here, the bullet has traveled 4 cm and the velocity has become u by 3, because it has already been said that the bullet's velocity becomes 1/3 after it penetrates 4 cm in the block. Also, it has been said that after it has traveled x centimeter, let's consider x centimeter here, x centimeter, the bullet has completed to a final stop. So the bullet stops here at this point. So what we will do here is, first we will consider this portion. So we will concentrate our attention on this portion, and at this portion we will apply the formula of motion here. So v square is equal to u square minus 2as. So why it is negative here, minus? Because the bullet is actually retarding. So the bullet's velocity is actually decreasing. That's why the negative sign is here. So v square is the final. So the final velocity will be u by 3 whole square, and u is the initial velocity. The initial velocity is u square minus 2 into a into s. S is the distance here. So the bullet has traveled a 4 cm distance. So 2 into 4. So we will calculate here as u square by 9 is equal to u square minus 8 into a. That is, it will come as a is equal to u square by 9. So we'll got a relation here. The acceleration is equal to u square by 9. Now we'll consider this block, this portion. We'll forget about that the first portion here, and then we'll concentrate only on the last portion. So here the initial velocity is u by 3. So we will again write that equation, v square equal to u square minus 2as. So v square is the final velocity. Final velocity is 0 here, because at this point the bullet has completely stopped. So u square is the initial velocity. Initial velocity is u by 3 whole square minus 2 into a. So instead of writing a here, we'll put the value of a here directly from this point. So a is equal to u square by 9 into s. S is x actually. So we have to find the value of x. So u square is minus u square by 9 minus is equal to minus 2 u square by 9 into x. So here the value of x will come to as half, that is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So the answer is x is equal to 0.5 centimeter. The bullet